ready to unlock a communication powerhouse within your Zoho CRM. Let's dive into integrating Twilio, step by step, to transform your customer interactions. First, log into your Zoho CRM account and navigate to the Setup or Settings area. Typically, this is found by clicking the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner. Once in the Setup menu, look for Marketplace or extension. Search for Twilio within the Zoho Marketplace and select the official Twilio extension for Zoho CRM. Click the Install button. Zoho will prompt you to agree to the terms and conditions. Accept them to proceed. You may also be asked about which user profiles should have access to the Twilio integration. Choose the relevant profiles for your team. Now, for the crucial part, configuration, you'll need your Twilio account SID, auth token, and a Twilio phone number. Log into your Twilio account to retrieve these credentials from your Twilio dashboard. Copy and paste each value into the corresponding field in Zoho. With the integration set up, you can now send SMS messages directly from within a contacts record in Zoho. Simply open a contact, and you should see a Send SMS button. Click it, compose your message, and send. The message will be sent from your Twilio phone number. The integration automatically tracks call activities when you make or receive calls using your Twilio number. These interactions are logged within the corresponding contacts record in Zoho. This gives you a complete view of your communication history. But the real power lies in automation. Use Zoho's workflow rules to trigger actions based on Twilio events. For example, when an SMS is received, you can automatically update a lead status or assign a task to a sales rep. This lets you automate follow-ups and streamline your sales process.